Have you already started?
Yeah, yeah, we're live.
Oh, we're live? Okay, I guess we're live. I'll go get it in a minute. We don't have our act together, but it's okay. We'll just roll with it anyway. It's Keely back live, still with a kiss as usual. On a Tuesday, we have so much new stuff to show you. This is just the start of what else coming in, isn't it, Jeannie? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got a little crazy. Speaking of crazy, we'll start right here with yarn. We got yarn in. I know you guys are wondering. This is from the makers of Zauberball from Chappelle Filet. And this is 50-gram skeins of the crazy in really bright colors, so you can mix or match or whatever. Let me see if I can get all the colors out. They're super cool. It's called Crazy Boys. Hold on, there's more. I'll find them all. I think they're, what, 10 colors?
I don't remember.
I stuck them all in this basket. Ooh, I like this color. You know me and those colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's it. I think there's 10. Yeah. That sounds right, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Yes. Aren't they cute? I think they're really cute. Yeah, and so it'd help you, like you want to do like different heels and toes or stripes or make something crazy, whether it's a sock or a shawl or whatever. And you can also blend it with the regular Zauberball, which we got a bunch of it in too. I had to these roll away. I had to corral them all in a basket. Let's see here. Got some good colors in. So that's a duplicate. Look at all those. Fun, huh? Told you guys are getting a lot of sock yarn in. This is just the start. Look at us go. Look at all that yarn. Okay, so there's all the Zauberball that came in. That's always a popular choice. We'll stick with yarn. Go over here. New yarn from Kelborn that we just got in called Perennial. Look at all the colors. I've got one label backwards. Hold on, I'm messing up my jam. There we go. I'm kind of anal about stuff like that. I know y'all are shocked. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. It is so soft. Again, we need the filometer, however you say it, which doesn't exist, so I guess I can call it whatever I want. This is Perennial. It's a fingering weight. It's for anything lightweight that you want to make. Everything from socks to sweaters, shawls, anything you want. It's 60% superwash merino. It has 21% Surrey alpaca and 15% nylon for strength. It'll be a machine or hand wash and cold, but you can machine wash it. Just want to stick with cold because it does have the Surrey in there. Really, anything in it, you need to wash in cold. Agreed? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You need to wash it in cold, gentle, if you're going to do the machine, but you can machine wash it. Lots of colors. This is good for, again, anything you want to make. Make beautiful socks, make beautiful shawls. You blend the colors together, put it with something else, put it with hand dye. It would be great. Okay, we also have seriously expanded our colors of cozy. This has been one of the most popular, late season editions we did last fall. Is a newer yarn from Kelborn. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and practical. This is a 70% superwash merino, 30% easy wash alpaca, and it's just soft like butter. You can machine wash it. Again, cold water, and look at all those colors. So soft, so pretty. This works up to, I want to say like a light worsted. Yeah, 20 to 22. So light worsted, heavier DK weight. So really practical for everything. Everything. You're going to want to make everything. It's just squishy. See what? Makes you happy. Love to squish yarn. Okay, so that's what we've got in yarn. Over here, like I said, we found some really cool stuff at Market that we love. And check these out. Aren't these cute? This is punch needle. Have you ever done punch needle? It's kind of cool. You use a little punch thing. It's not hard.
Turn it around. Oh.
There you go. See, it's got a punch needle, yarn. It has everything you need. There are videos, so if you don't know how to do it, it takes you 2 to 4 hours. They've got it all together. These are the bigger ones that are frame pieces, but there's also some smaller ones. So, I mean, I think you could start with whatever you like to make, but sometimes it's easier to start with something smaller. Look at these. I like that one. The frog. There's a strawberry. Another flower. And the big leaf. Fun. Something fun to do. These littler ones, it says, it comes with everything you need. So you don't need to worry about all that. It says, learn to punch needle in 30 seconds. That's how fast it is. You just poke. More poking, less pokey stuff. You probably won't need Band-Aids with this like you with the needle felting. Oh gosh, that needle felting is cool. I've got some more needle felting kits coming in that you're really going to love. And this says 90 minutes. So If you're slow, you can still get it done in the afternoon. I'm not saying if that's optimal, what will it take me? So it really doesn't take long, and it makes something fun. If you got bored kids this summer, the ages on this, I think it's what, 10 and up on this other box. Yeah, so I mean, this isn't for little kids, but older kids, definitely. I want to say I saw 10 and up somewhere. Maybe I made that up. Okay, well, anyway, I think that they could do it. It's not that hard. Okay, what else came in? Oh, over here, we got more stuff in today. Haven't even really got to go through yet. This is a cute little company called Matryoshka Doll Company, and they make really cute iron-ons for embroidery. So you can embroider on, those are all the same, anything. You could, anything you want, jeans, a shirt, a bag. And I think that's kind of cool. There's all sorts of different themes. I like them with we've got a lot of bees for some reason. Are those all the same? No, they're different.
They're different.
Cool. We have several with bee. These was, I think, for fall, thinking ahead. A lot of florals, botanicals. I think they're fun. It's gardening. And then they also have pre-cut squares of fabric if you want to just do your own thing. So kind of nice, comes in an assortment. This is a linen blend, really super nice for embroidery. If you haven't used a stick and stitch, this stuff is the bomb. You peel it off, stick it on, embroider, wash with warm water, and it dissolves once you're done. All, the paper goes away. Hello, here comes more stuff. Thank you. You too. I don't think that one's exciting. I know, everybody's like, oh yeah, delivery.
Sam's.
Yeah, I made a mistake. I got some more popcorn for upstairs for the loft. And you know how you're buying stuff to have it like delivered and then suddenly they switch it to shipping? I paid like $8 to have this stupid popcorn shipped and I didn't realize it. So I'm kind of not happy about that. So that's my very expensive popcorn that just came in. Okay, I digress. More embroidery kits. These are the little dolls that are so cute. Here, I'll flip them over this way so you can see what they look like finished.
Right.
Jeannie's working on one now. Maybe you're going to have it ready next week, Jeannie?
I should, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
It's getting close.
They have different difficulty levels, anywhere from 1 to 4. And it's not necessarily that you have to be super experienced. I mean, make what you like. But I feel like the difficulty is basically based on how long it's going to take you to make it. Because the ones that are like this one is a number 1. But as you can see, it doesn't have a ton of embroidery. The moth is a 3, more embroidery. Yeah, a few are 4. I don't know if any of these I got this time. Some of these are reorders, like the moth. I just love that moth. And some are new. We got some new ones. Koalas, he's new. Hedgehog's a reorder. I got the kangaroo. We didn't have that before, did we?
I don't think so.
We don't know. We can't remember. I think we had the bunny before. The elephant's new. Mm-hmm. I think he's just a 1. Yeah. So depends on how dedicated you are to the project. If you think you're going to lose interest and wander off, you might look at the ones. But the ones with lots of embroidery. Oh, I got that one. Thinking ahead for fall. Mm-hmm. Look at the bat. Isn't he cute? And we've had the alligator before. He's a 2, so he's kind of a little bit of everything. And we have more than this. This is just the ones that are new or that we were out of. We have a ton. Let's see if anybody new pops in here. A fox. Oh, we saw the fox, didn't we? Yeah, we had the fox. I think we've seen all these. Oh, barn owl. Do we have him? Yeah, we had barn owl. Okay, so we've seen all those. Is that everything new that's come in? I had a list of what else. Oh, I've got samples. That's what I was going to go and get when Jeannie started the movie. I thought, oh, let me go get those. Well, I'll go get them now. Just ignore all the junk over here. We've got so much going on. All right. I forgot to show these last week. I'll go over here. I'll have some more room. We don't know. We got the whole classroom covered. And I've already picked up. I said all morning, putting out the stuff that had already come in. Got here early. Jeannie didn't know what to think.
I know. I walk in, she's here, and I'm like,
I got to stop this early bird stuff. It made me tired. We had to go to Scooters.
Like, kind of messed up. I'm not used to her being
Okay,
here.
so Jeannie's been crocheting a few things. Look at these nesting bowls. Aren't they cute? These are done with Nova Vita, or Echo Vita. They changed the name. Echo Vita 4 from DMC. You can tell by the size of it. It's that super big multi-craft yarn that you can do macrame and stuff with. And it's just one of each color. We did the teal, the green, the brown. Look how cute those are. Those are just cute to have around the house or put a little gift in. And they were fun to do, weren't they, Jeannie?
Yeah.
And then we made a blanket. Me and the mouse and Pocket. I helped. I picked it out, the colors. I said, here, make it. Yeah, this is a simple crochet blanket. It's got the sunburst squares. This is going to be a free pattern from us. It's called Bloom. I don't have it on Ravelry, but we'll be sharing the link in some social media coming up soon. If you need it now, just you get the yarn. We'll be happy to print it off for you. It's a great for gifting. We used, 2 skeins of Spirit DK from Hayfield, and then we paired it with the bonus DK around. I think it took 3. No, wait a minute. It's 3 Spirit, 2 bonus. We'll get this right. Hope I got that pattern right. I might need to fix that. May have made a mistake. Oops. I get confused. Well, the border, Jeannie put this border on it. It kind of ate up the yarn. But it's an affordable, nice, practical gift that feels good. Yeah, it feels good. Not all acrylics are created alike. Sometimes I think the ones at the cheapy discount stores give it a bad name because they just don't wear and they're nasty to work with. This really is not. It's really nice.
Soft.
It's soft.
Yeah.
It's going to wear better. You know, there is a difference. Totally different. Okay, this is the sample that has been MIA. In fact, Lori called me when I was gone because I had the knit along for June. She says, where's the sample? I've looked everywhere. I'm like, oh, I don't know. Because in my defense, it's been going back and forth between the store and my house as I was working on writing the pattern and doing stuff with it. And the last thing I could remember is in the tote bag with some Target returns. I'm kind of like, I don't know if you watched that show, Elizabeth. I'm like her with all these tote bags, going back and forth with stuff between the house and here, and we couldn't find it. I thought, oh, it's in the tote bag at home. No. Thought it was in my son's car. No. We have torn the place apart. I have a bunch of stuff that's kind of waiting for our party coming up next Friday. And I bought myself a wig, and it was inside the wig. I thought, oh, yeah, that's where I put it. So fortunately, Jeannie had asked about something. I'm like, oh! So she was about to kill me because I about lost it.
Yeah, because I didn't want to knit it again.
No, Jeannie didn't. Okay, this is called, it's a scarf that's easy to make. It looks harder than it is. It's called the Promenade. It's kind of a revamped pattern of ours that we did with Koigu. This is the size that takes 2 skeins, but if you want a bigger one, we've written it for more. And you can either... Okay, I am really not dressed for this. I'm not going to make it. The picture looks better on the sign-up sheet. You can either put it like with a pin, or you can tie it, more like a little scarf like that. But if you're like, ugh, beads, I don't like stringing beads. You like stringing these beads. This isn't bad. You string all the beads. You place them as you cast on. It's perfect, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Yes. And then that's it. You're done. And then you've got a lot of stitches on the cast on. It's kind of a dropped open type frilly thing. So you've got all these stitches from the cast on, and they're all on your needle. And you knit so many rows. That's your only long row. Then you turn and you're going to cast on here, and then you knit it back and forth this way, and the edging is joined with the decrease. Every time you get over here, you decrease. Don't worry, the pattern tells you what to do. Then it has a little bit of lace here with a slip stitch edge. It's a fun project.
It is.
It really is. You'll enjoy doing it. The lace area is simple. It's not that hard to make. And like I said, if you want a bigger one, we did write it for one bigger. This is, 2 skeins of Koigu. We have a bunch more colors of it coming in tomorrow. Well, sometime this week. Next week, I'll be able to show you more Koigu, what came in. That's our other exciting thing coming in. So this is our knit along for June. It's called the Promenade. Pattern's ready now. I found the sample so we could talk about it. I was afraid I'm going to say, yeah, we have a knit along. Here's a picture of it. At least I got it photographed, but that's not usually a good way to do it. So yes, we have found the missing sample. I am off the hook. Jeannie was about to kill me. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe I lost a sample. But at least I didn't return it at Target by accident. That's true. Jeannie's like, did you take it back with the shorts you're returning? I'm like, maybe, I hope not. Sure, if I see somebody at Target wearing it, I know what had happened. Okay, so talked about our party. Our spring yarn ball is next Friday from 4 to 7. You should come. We're going to have a really good time. We have a lot of cool stuff for you. It's kind of our Bridgerton-ish themed party. You don't have to dress up, or you can. I did buy me a wig. Yeah, maybe I'll wear it next week.
There you go.
Yeah, somebody has to be Queen Charlotte. I figured, duh, that's me, right? Yeah, that's me, obviously. Okay, I think I remembered everything on my list. That's a surprise, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I don't think anybody wants to see the overpriced popcorn from Sam's. God, I hate it when that happens. You know, you check out, you're like, boy, I did not want that shipped. I thought they were delivering it. Watch your cart when you order from Sam's. Pro tip, don't do what I do. Okay, till next week. I'll have a lot more to show. Bye.